communicate through this spot. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. And he was ignorant.
Yep. Oh, there was tonight. I asked very nicely. I had a video of some people spraying stuff in our ostrich pen, and I just was asking him, "Excuse me, sir, can I walked down just to show him the video?" Your guys ignored me completely. I was just asking. I quietly. There was nobody.
We'll talk about that.
But I'm sorry, and this is, and obviously we're worried. I mean, we were the last time we trusted you, that we were baited into a corner and arrested. So, there's a lack of. I'm obviously concerned, but we're all on edge because at night, Canadian Food Inspection Agency to come in would not surprise us to do something. So. I don't know. I guess we're gonna take this as their word.
I don't like.
Look at all the drones. Why are there so many?
That was my next question. The drones.
The drones and spotlights
down here.
I talked to Esper.
Yeah.
He actually came up tonight saying when he approached mine, my guy said, "Yeah, right there." I came up and talked to him. I said the reason we were using the drone. I mean, one is we don't want anybody in there setting fire.
Yeah. No. I was talking over the house.
Yeah.
So,
that has to stop.
If you looked at it, let's just say that's the pen, and this is where you guys are. We didn't want to fly the drone over the pens because we were told that was an issue for the ostriches.
It is.
So they were going from here so they could see the pen that way, and I've asked them to move and go from this side from the empty field.
Okay.
And that was the conversation with Esper. So
I do appreciate that because having a drone hovering over, and every time we walk, it follows us to the river.
Yep.
It follows us.
We've talked
the
about
drone.
That, yeah.
Okay.
So they're going on this
the drones are
and
following us around our own yard. So okay.
So the other thing is, we have security cameras on the property.
Yep.
And they've disabled them.
The CFIA. I can't speak to that unfortunately, but I know what you're saying. Okay.
Those cameras that we have set up help you to monitor.
Yeah.
But
they should be
disabled them.
They should be back.
They can cut the cables.
Yeah.
We got pictures of.
To me, you don't disconnect cameras unless you have something to hide. Because we had cameras because we had nothing to hide. We had everything to protect. But so it seems a little fishy.
That's a CFIA decision, and again, I'm not trying to.
Does it not have a? I mean, well, it's against the law to just destroy someone's property.
They're executing a search warrant, so
a search warrant, not a destroy.
Yeah.
They were cutting our cables. Yeah.
That would be a question that would be honestly for them.
Yeah.
They would be best position to answer that
one. Okay.
But we've asked to meet with Courtney. We haven't met with Courtney yet. Sorry.
Right. No, we should be meeting with her in the morning. Actually, if we could request to meet, could you put in a request for us to meet with Courtney in the morning sometime after?
I can't guarantee she'll meet, and what I would suggest is tomorrow ask for the day shift supervisor.
Yeah.
And they will be able to better facilitate because she'll be in if she's around tomorrow.
Okay.